Another Workbench update. Got some things cleaned up and have glued the cutout together, which it's just drying now, and used just normal wood glue and a spackler knife to spread it out evenly. And then using, instead of gluing this massive top piece, the two pieces, I'm worried that they're going to end up getting stuck together and won't be able to actually shift them onto each other properly. So I've decided, at least temporarily, to go with pocket hole screws from underneath. So I'm just drilling those out right now. And you can see here is the pocket hole setup. So you just clamp it on. I've already drilled this one out. And you take your drill and put it in. And I'll just re-drill it. And that's it. And then you unclamp it and move it to your next location. It's really easy. And so doing that for now, see how it works. And then if I do end up needing to glue it, I can take those pocket hole screws out and glue it still. So that's the plan.